Yes, clean that, babe. Clean that. Check out the motherfucking lemon pepper stepping on. Ooh, she's dripping. He motherfucking dripping. Guys, today we about to go to a motherfucking party. I got baby girl washing my motherfucking car. This shit looking somewhat good. Wait till I get to it. You feel me?
Get the views.
Yeah, you can put it towards me. What up, motherfuckers, YouTube? Oh, shit, I cursed it. What up, YouTube? It's your boy, me. And my beautiful girlfriend. I'm sorry, you can't tell something. My beautiful girlfriend. We on the way to go to a good meet. I'm hoping it doesn't get shut down. If it does, I'll be highly upset. But my stomach is all fucked up. We got this little Gingy right here. Most of us doing it. And, you know, we'll see some cars and shit. Some light, you know. Some light. Okay. Oh shit! I never think it was there. Yeah, best spot right now. Trying to find a bathroom. Oh, find a bathroom. Where's the men's at? Oh, straight ahead. Yoink. Hey, what up, Nick? Oh, what up, Nick? What up, Nick? What up, Nick? Pause! What up, Nick? What up, Nick? Look at your boy on there. Sleep. I'm gonna sleep on there.
Nick, look it.
What? That's a snake?
Yes.
It's not, no way.
Yes.
This?
You don't see the snake right
Oh,
there?
shit.
The lock?
Oh, yeah. I thought you were talking about this right here.
No, I'm not that slow.
What's in there? Nothing else. Ain't nothing else in there. Oh, look at that motherfucker. I think he was slick. Get your ass out here, boy. Oh, shit. Imagine I just opened it.
Stop.
Right next to her too. That shit looks fine.
You got the same IV ticket.
Literally. Look at that. Nismo. $200,000 car right here, man.
Really?
You heard it?
Yeah.
That motherfucker low as hell. Yeah, damn. This thing is low as fuck. 350Z. Woo! Big turf. Yeah, look at the camber on that big. God damn, bro. Can't go wrong with the Subarus. Oh damn, that shit's supercharged. E30s and shit. That's alright. This is what I'm talking about. I want it right here. This is literally it. Copyright. Somebody smoking that shit. This the one that I want right here.
That's nice.
In the inside, right? You see the seats? Yeah, that shit look tough. Got the tips in there. Ooh. I got you. I'm about to do it in a minute. And that shit look good. Come on, I'm like this. You can go, boss. Go ahead. God damn. This motherfucking sun is on this bitch. They give. They motherfucking give. Yeah. Type R. 3000 GT. Oof. Look at this shit. Oh my god. It's literally how my old car looks.
Really?
Yes. It's without the blue tent.
Right.
It was like
Started smoking. You fat ass.
that's why. Man, I ain't saying nada. Dang, alright. Ooh, look at that Pro Charger back. Oh, that's sick. That's tough. Big boy, goddamn. Damn, this low as fuck. Word. I wouldn't go that low. Integra, hell yeah. See, look at that purple, that's sexy as fuck.
Yes.
I know the guy too.
Right.
Hell yeah, I love that shit. Hell yeah.
The girl in the passenger, yeah, it's my man.
Hell yeah. Time to go look in this big old bitch. Cause I'm tired of using my phone. Okay, back what I was saying. I'm tired of holding my phone, using all my data for y'all motherfuckers. Y'all taking up my storage. Let's see what they got though. Ooh. This tough. Built for tough.
Built for game.
See what they got over here, man. What? Word. Is that the 14?
Weave.
Is that the 14? Yeah,
Yes.
14 plus. Imagine to get a phone right now. Should I?
It's up to you. You say you want to get on the phone.
True. Whoa. They got 3. Ooh, that motherfucker huge. You see, you got 3 now. Is it?
No, it looks like it.
People tell me, oh yeah, it is a purple. Oh, that shit right here. Damn, she hitting me.
Facts.
She
She
what the
said.
fuck? She was roping that shit. Oh hell no. Personally, me. You gotta show him up. Babe, that's that dude from the last meet.
I know,
Remember?
I think the lights.
Yeah. Goddamn, what? That's that S5 right there. Oh no, that's the E5. My fault. See, babe, that's the wheels. That's the hard wheels. GTO. Oh my god. I kill for for this car. And they got the red interior. Big me let Hoopers on that bitch. Personally, me, I wouldn't take that, bro. He not about it. He not even like that. Bro, just step on it. Yeah, damn, boy. What the fuck, boy? All that damn shit up in there.
All that turbulence.
Don't disappoint. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Whip that big old hoe. You better tell before he flip that bitch. Talk to him, bro. Talk to him.
Do it again, do it again, do it again, do it again.
That's that K2 turn down for you, bro. Yeah. Cappuccino. Yo, family. What the fuck going on? I'm going different ways and shit. What the hell, bro? Now you. What's up, guys? The car meet was a great success. Got a lot of content. You're gonna love this video. This is my outro. I'm telling you guys. Oh, before I end it, let me put y'all on. Well, I ain't tried yet, but let me put y'all on. I'll let y'all know if it's good in the next video. So I'm gonna be going to a car meet tomorrow in American Dream. So let's see how that turns out. I love you guys. See you guys tomorrow. Like and subscribe. Share, please. Because the more bigger we get, the more bigger you get. You feel what I'm saying? I don't know what else to say, but like and subscribe. I love you guys. Later.